Ocean currents. The continuous movement or drift of the ocean water in a definite direction is known as an ocean current. The water moves in the form of a river or broad stream flowing through the ocean at the speed varying from 2 to 10 km per hour. On the basis of temperature, ocean currents are classified into two types: warm ocean currents and cold ocean currents. The warm currents flow from the equatorial region towards polar region, and the temperature is more than that of the surrounding areas, while the temperature of cold current is more than that of their surrounding area and flowing from the polar region towards equatorial region. Ocean currents are caused by different factors. First is wind. Ocean current also moves along with wind. Next is rotation of the earth. Due to rotation of the earth, ocean currents move. The difference in the density of water depending on the temperature and salinity. Interaction with other current and shape of landmass. Shape of landmass also affect ocean currents. So these are the factors. Ocean currents flow in the direction of prevailing wind. Ocean currents move in the same direction of the prevailing winds. Therefore, water from the equatorial areas expand and flows towards polar region, while the water from the polar region flows towards equatorial region. Due to effect of Coriolis force, all the ocean current moves in clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and anti-clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. Sometimes a landmass may obstruct or deflect the flow of an ocean current, causing it to change its direction. Because of presence of landmass, sometimes ocean currents are deflected to other direction. For example, equatorial current in the Atlantic Ocean divides it into two branches when it meets South America coast. The Gulf Stream goes north and Brazilian current goes south. Warm and cold currents modify their temperature accordingly. When these winds blow over the coastal land, they modify the temperatures there, making the land comparatively warmer or colder. Winds that pass over warm currents become warm and absorb more moisture due to greater evaporation, thus bringing rainfall to the coastal area. While cold current decrease the moisture-bearing capacity of the wind. The mixing of warm and cold currents causes heavy fog, hindering navigation since it reduces visibility and acts as a hazard to shipping. The best fishing ground in the world with an abundance of plankton are also located where warm and cold current meet. Planktons are the small organisms drifted by the movement of ocean water. These are the sources of food for fishes. Grand Banks off the coast of Newfoundland, where the warm Gulf Stream meets the cold Labrador current. Warm currents melt dangerous icebergs which they counter, thus reducing danger to ships, where cold currents often carry icebergs to the lower latitude. Ships prefer to sail along the current as they can move faster and hence save on time and fuel. Ships prefer to sail along with the current, with the movement of current, because when the ship move along the same direction of the current, they can move faster and they can save on time and fuel.